Updated October 23, 2017. 171,031 intense hail has hit the Toowoomba region, blanketing the ground, as thunderstorms sweep across southeast Queensland. Just before 4:00 p.m., the Bureau of Meteorology BOM said severe thunderstorms had eased, although storms were still occurring. The BOM said thunderstorms with potentially severe hail remained a possibility over the southeast this afternoon and into the evening. Footage of the hailstorm was posted online by Toowoomba residents, with heavy falls around the Wellcamp Airport. Shannon Bosworth, who works at a cafe in the airport, said the hailstorm started around noon and lasted about half an hour. "It was very heavy. It looked like snow out there," she said. "It's all gone now, all clear." Meanwhile, Elizabeth Foister was driving between Pittsworth and Toowoomba when she came across piles of hail on the side of the road. "We thought it was foam, like at the beach after a swell, or piles of salt," she said. "Anyway, we stopped in the middle of it and had a look. When you stood in the stuff, you sank. It was cold and wet." Parts of the Gold Coast have also seen up to 40 millimeters of rainfall since 900 am. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services (QFES) have advised residents to move your car under cover or away from trees. Secure loose outdoor items. Seek shelter, preferably indoors and never under trees. Avoid using the telephone during a thunderstorm. Beware of fallen trees and power lines. For emergency assistance, contact the State Emergency Service (SES) on 132,500. Topics: rainfall, weather, disasters and accidents, emergency planning, emergency incidents. Toowoomba 4,350, Southport 4,215, Brisbane 4,000, QLD, Australia. First posted October 23, 2017. 125,954.